Welcome to day 2 of our 10-day tax bill update on how you can win and save thousands on taxes from things that are happening in the new tax bill. The second thing we're going to discuss, you're hearing all this about SALT limitation or SALT increase, and like, what the heck does that mean? So SALT stands for state and local tax. Really all that means, on your personal tax return, you can deduct property taxes and taxes paid to the state, like your state of Georgia taxes or your sales tax. Those things are deductible on a personal tax return, along with mortgage interest and charitable contributions and some other things. That little category of state and local taxes and property taxes, which is your real estate taxes on your house, that has been limited to $10,000. That's not very much. Typically, we pay a decent amount in Georgia state income tax, 5 to 6%, and typically property taxes have gone way up in the last couple of years. And so for most people, they're paying way more than 10 grand in state and local taxes and property taxes, especially if they have a vacation home or a second home. Well, all of that has been capped at $10,000 of deduction, when a lot of people have $15,000, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 of expenses there. Well, this tax bill bumped that up. It quadrupled it. It went from a $10,000 limitation to a $40,000 limitation. So we're getting $30,000 more dollars of opportunity to deduct our property taxes, our vacation home, our state taxes paid. So state taxes, if you made estimated payments, if you paid last year's taxes this year, if you have state taxes coming out of your W-2, all of this counts to that category. And your primary house property taxes, your vacation house, even things like car tags and ad valorem taxes can apply to this. And so we're getting the opportunity to go from $10,000 limitation to $40,000. If you're able to take advantage of this, this easily saves you an extra $5,000 to $10,000 in taxes. So if you historically would have owed 15 grand, you can now only owe 5 grand for this simple little change on the personal return. So this is one of those that impacts everybody if you have some of these things and you itemize. So this is not just business owners, this applies across the board if you're an employee or however you file if it involves itemizing. That is your tax tip today. I'll see you tomorrow with another way we can take advantage of items in the new tax bill.